Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to show a short video clip of the news channel KSL News stating that the Cybertruck hit somebody and just took off, and apparently the police able to catch the owner, but right now they're still investigating, so they're not sure. So in this case, could the police request the footage from Tesla in case the owner is not cooperating and he's not going to provide the footage? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, if you're driving over $100,000 cars, and I'm assuming you should have insurance for it, why didn't the Cybertruck owner stop and do the right thing by providing, you know, insurance and then take care of the person that the owner hit? But so let me know, what do you think about this news? I'm going to show the video and then comment below.
Of a Tesla Cybertruck who hit a woman on a motorcycle at a high rate of speed and then took off. That rider went to the hospital in critical condition. News specialist Dan Rascone spoke exclusively with her friend, and he joins us live from where it happened. Dan, you say this friend did some of his own detective work.
Yeah, that's right, Dee Dee. He took to social media and found what he believes to be the Cybertruck that was involved in that hit and run. Police still trying to confirm that, but it all happened out here this weekend, early on Saturday morning there at 7800 South and State Street.
It's very free to be on a motorcycle.
The beautiful, warm night air, something Tanner Miller and his friend Kayla Watson were enjoying late Friday night into Saturday morning when suddenly, here at 7800 South and State Street, Kayla is sideswiped by a speeding Tesla Cybertruck.
We were just sitting at a stoplight and it just came through and just hit her and took off. It was terrifying, actually.
Kayla was knocked to the ground on her Harley. The right side impact broke Kayla's right hand and mangled her right leg.
I just don't know how someone could live with themselves after doing that.
Kayla went to the hospital in critical condition. Tanner went to social media.
If you see a truck that's missing a mirror, please reach out.
By 9:30 Saturday morning, Tanner gets these pictures of a Cybertruck with matching driver's side damage spotted in Sandy. Police later impound the truck.
Is that the truck?
We can't confirm that right now.
Police say they are still investigating and in the process of trying to interview the owner of that truck.
We don't want to go and interview the wrong person and possibly charge the wrong person. Make sure we have everything in place.
As for Tanner's hopes,
I just wish that Kayla gets justice for what happened to her.
Yeah, Tanner right now is telling us that Kayla is in stable condition, but her road to recovery is going to be a long one. Police still searching for that Cybertruck, possibly, if that's not the right one, according to that picture there, and also the driver. If you have any information, you're asked to call the police department. Back to you, Dee Dee.
That friend did some pretty good detective work.